There's a brand new AI niche blowing up right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. Creators are posting these insanely satisfying ASMR face squeeze videos and pulling in tens of thousands of followers, with some clips hitting over 1 million views and the rest stacking hundreds of thousands effortlessly. If you get in early, this could be one of the easiest ways to go viral right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these viral ASMR face squeeze videos using AI tools. So make sure you watch till the end, because missing one step could be the reason your videos don't blow up. Now let's get started. The first step is creating the perfect prompt to generate your viral ASMR face image. Start by opening the Google Doc linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find a ready-to-use prompt specifically designed for this ASMR niche. Go ahead and copy that prompt. Next, open your favorite AI writing tool. In this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, but don't hit enter just yet. Before generating, make one simple tweak. Enter the number of face variations you want the AI to create. This helps you generate multiple unique options and increases your chances of picking a viral winning concept. Now hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of high-performing face types that are perfect for ASMR face squeeze videos. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the one that stands out the most or feels the most engaging. Once you've picked your face type, simply type the number assigned to it and press enter again. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed image prompt along with a cinematic video prompt you can use to bring your face to life with AI animation tools. Now that you've created our image prompt, it's time for the next step, generating your ultra-realistic ASMR face image. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and click on Create with Flow. Then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, select New Project to access the AI image generation interface. Before generating your image, proper setup is key to getting the best results. First, switch the aspect ratio to portrait mode, 9:16. This is crucial for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, choose the number of image outputs you want. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your generated image prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste it directly into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will produce ultra-realistic images based on your prompt. These visuals are designed to be highly detailed, glossy, and satisfying. Exactly the type of content that performs extremely well in viral ASMR niches. Take your time to review each generated image carefully. Look for the one that stands out the most and download it to your device. The final step is turning your image into a viral, hyper-realistic ASMR video. Head back over to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Upload the image you just created. This is the exact visual we'll animate into a satisfying face squeeze video. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the cinematic video prompt you generated earlier. Then return to Flow AI and paste it directly into the video prompt box. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Within moments, the AI will begin transforming your static image into a cinematic, ultra-realistic ASMR video. After rendering is complete, preview your result. You'll notice how detailed, glossy, and incredibly satisfying the animation looks. This is exactly the type of content that performs extremely well on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now go ahead and download your video to your device. And just like that, your viral AI ASMR face squeeze video is ready to post and start gaining views. Let's quickly take a look at another example I created using this exact method. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.